use money to gain control over your time. Oh, this brings me back to what you said in the beginning, money means to you. You said you wanted freedom. So this kind of underlines that. He says, because not having control of your time is such a powerful and universal drag on happiness. The ability to do what you want, when you want, with who you want, for as long as you want to, pays the highest dividend that exists in finance. Wow. I think that's the crux. That's where we want to be, is where we are not reliant on our salaries. We don't live from month to month. We can actually be free, like you said, and you can do what you want when you want it because you got money in the bank. I think that's a definition of financial freedom. What do you think?
Exactly, yeah. Just being able to control your time is everything. That's why you see rich people and billionaires buying jets because they can get to places quicker, because they'd rather spend millions of dollars to save an hour on a flight, or just standing in the queues because they realize that as soon as you have a certain amount of money, then time becomes the most important currency.
Someone once told me that the thing that you spend the most time with is, well, we all know that they say that that's the thing you will become, okay? But it also shows that that is
Mm.
the thing you worship. And that's now from a I suppose, a bit of a religion point of view. But yeah, it just struck me
Mm.
at that time because it's true. The thing that you spend most of your time with is probably the thing that's most important to you. So, and sometimes we're forced to spend time on things that is not necessarily important to us. And then you have to realign, readjust your priorities to make sure that you actually spend your time on the thing that's most important to you.